Hey guys, it's everyone here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a Xbox 360 that the tray won't open. As you can see, this tray is stuck. Keeps trying to eject. You can hear it. So, this is actually a very simple fix. All you need is another disc. Now, obviously you have one because you looked up this video because yours broke. So, I just use a blank CD. I have a little stack one, or you can use a game. What you're gonna do, you're gonna press the eject button. Make sure the little light is blinking, and just try to smack the top in the right place. Take it a couple times to get it perfect, but there you go, just like that. Now put a blank CD in. It doesn't even have anything in it. Now you can see it won't even take this drive in, so you have to give it a little push. Now you can see it'll read it, but it obviously still doesn't have anything on it. So now you can see it will eject perfectly fine since it has just a little bit of weight in there. See, it's doing it perfectly. Now, just to prove to you that it is broken, I'll take it out, close my disc tray, and we'll go ahead and try to open it. See, that's stuck. Completely stuck. It's just stuck. Now again, get that right spot. You have to try it a couple times. Gotta get that right spot. There we go. Just right there. Leave a blank disc in at all times. Even ejecting it, you can just give it a tiny little push. It'll go in. So just like that, your Xbox is fixed. Now, you can also keep a game DVD in, for instance. So, I have Need for Speed Underground 2 here. So we'll go ahead and put this in instead of the blank disc, just to prove to you that this does work. Ooh. Took the tray back in. Alright. Go ahead and put a game in there. Try to eject it. There you go. Just a disc in there to have a tiny bit of weight, which is just enough for the disk drive to go out and in. So there you go. You can either use the keep a game in it way, or just beat the crap out of your Xbox way. Just like that. Easy fix. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.